In today's video, I am going to show you how you can live stream for under $50. What's up guys, my name is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools, and today I am so excited because the setup that I'm using right now to record this video is the same setup that I'm going to suggest to you if you want to start live streaming for under $50. If you want to go live, let's say Facebook Live, YouTube Live, you can use this exact setup for your project. So without taking much time, let's start with all the tools that I'm using. Tool number one, I'm using OBS to record this video, but you can use it as well to live stream. I'm assuming you know how to use OBS, and if you don't know how to use it, I encourage you to watch this video. It's a free software and you're not paying any money for it. Tool number two, I'm using my phone as a webcam by using this app called Uriun. This app is available for both Android and iPhone, but right now I'm using an iPhone to record this video. So this is how you can get the app. Go to your App Store or your Google Play and look for Uriun Webcam App. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry, but you know, this is how it's spelled. And then you download it. I already have mine downloaded in my phone. Once you're done downloading it, go to uriun.com on your computer and download for either if you're using a PC, download for PC. If you're using a Mac, same thing, download for Mac. Once the software is installed in your computer, all you have to do is to go to your computer, open the app, and choose the resolution. Go to your phone as well, do the same thing, open the app, and once you're done, you go to OBS. Your phone will show up as an input under Uriun Webcam. Your phone needs to be connected on the same network as your computer, okay? You don't need to connect any cables. However, if you need a more stable picture without any lag or any issues, I strongly recommend that you connect a USB cable from your phone to your computer, and that will give you a more smooth experience for your video recording or live streaming. So let's talk about tool number three. Tool number three is going to be your audio. So depending on the kind of setup that you have, if you don't have a microphone already, I suggest you invest in a USB microphone or a lav mic that will cost you under $50. There's so many choices on Amazon. So this is a USB microphone that I suggest you guys to use. It's called FIFINE USB Microphone. Right now I'm using a USB microphone, which is a different brand, but this mic will sound so good and it's gonna help you improve your sound or your audio quality for your live streaming. However, if you don't want this microphone to show in the frame, you want, a sort of different setup, you can use this lav mic. You can easily connect this mic to your phone, and this is going to improve your audio. I would suggest you invest in audio first before you think of buying any other stuff, because your audio is a crucial part when you're live streaming. If your audio sounds bad, people are going to leave your stream. It's not gonna be good for you. If you already have a microphone, I would suggest you invest in my tool number 4, which is lighting. Okay, so right now I'm using the Neewer LED lights, extremely cheap, and they do the job. Okay, I've got one right here, I think you can see in the frame, and the second one is my key light, okay, that's facing me right now. And these two lights cost under $50. They come with gels, like as you can see, I put the red gel on this one, which gives a nice effect to kind of balance the lighting in the room. I got my key light as well with a white diffuser, and this is what it would look like if I was live streaming. So let's say you have your phone, you have your computer, you have OBS, but you don't have a good microphone and good lighting. So I would suggest first you invest in a microphone like the FIFINE and get a cheap ring light, and this should work well with your phone's flashlight if you ever need more light. Okay, remember you can also use natural light. Let's say you're recording in your living room, all you have to do, make sure you set up close to a window and let the light come in through the window, and you can use that lighting maybe combine it with the flashlight from the phone, even though I think it's not the best lighting solution. However, if you have no other option, I would still suggest you invest in audio first before investing in lighting, because the natural light and the flashlight from the phone could still do the job. But again, with close to $50, I'm sure you can find a ring light and a microphone. So guys, I'll put links down below for everything that I talked about in this video, including the Uriun app, microphones that I talked about, as well as lighting solutions. But if you don't want to use your phone to live stream and you rather use a camera, make sure you watch this video right here for the best, cheapest live streaming camera.